Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide distracting items in Safari on Mac. If you want to hide distracting items like ads, some pop-ups and other video playbacks that are on websites and may distract you from reading the content, then you can do it in the new Safari version. So if you have the newest operating system on your Mac, newest macOS version, then open Safari, because this feature is Safari exclusive. It doesn't work in Google Chrome or Firefox. And then open a website that you want to hide distracting items in. It can be either, for example, an article that has multiple ads and multiple video playbacks that may distract the content that you're reading, may hide something or just pop up randomly. And to hide them, just click on this icon on your top bar and you should see here find distracting items. Click on that, then click on OK, and now you can click on the item you want to hide in order to hide it. So let's hide, for example, this pop-up, and you can see it's now hidden. Let's hide this ones. Okay, this one as well. Just click on it and it will be hidden right away. When you're done, click on done, and now you can see that it's all hidden. So now I can go through the website and these items are not distracting me anymore. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.